Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we're exploring the timeless beauty of Italian villa-style interior design. Rooted in history, this style combines an architectural grandeur, natural materials, and a seamless connection to the outdoors. If you'd like to explore the more rustic side of this aesthetic, be sure to watch our dedicated video on Tuscan interiors, linked below. Architectural features. Italian villa architecture is rooted in the Renaissance villas and rustic farmhouses of areas like Tuscany and Umbria. These homes were designed for both beauty and practicality, seamlessly connecting interiors with gardens, courtyards, and surrounding landscapes. Key exterior features include arched doorways and original timber doors. In modern homes, you'll also find contemporary glass and iron-framed doors. Iron-framed windows and shutters. Low-pitched terracotta tiled roofs with deep eaves. Loggias, terraces and arcaded courtyards. And stone facades or plastered walls that weather naturally over time. Inside, architectural details balance scale and intimacy. Ideas include vaulted ceilings or exposed timber beams, thick stone or plastered walls with niches and archways, carved stone or rustic fireplaces as central gathering points, natural materials. The Italian villa style celebrates authentic finishes that age gracefully and develop character over time. Popular materials include travertine, limestone, marble, rustic timber, terracotta, wrought iron, and lime wash or Venetian plaster wall treatments. Terracotta is especially notable. Whether used for flooring tiles or pots and vessels, each piece offers a unique quality, ranging in tone from ochre and clay to soft yellow or deep browns. For visual richness, layer contrasting textures such as smooth marble against rough timber or plastered walls alongside wrought iron details. These can be complemented with beautiful textiles such as Italian silk, linen, cotton, wool, gossamer drapes, and decorative textiles like jacquard, brocade, and velvets. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like the video and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. Furniture ideas. Next, Italian villa furniture is often substantial, built to last and laid with pieces that feel collected over time. Some ideas include trestle or refectory tables, rush-seated, ladder-back or slip-covered dining chairs, slip-covered or upholstered sofas and armchairs in linen or cotton, occasional chairs and ottomans upholstered in Italian fabrics, antique wardrobes or armoires, and beautiful carved or panelled consoles and credenzas. Indoor-outdoor living. Another defining feature of the Italian villa style is its seamless connection to the outdoors. Loggias, courtyards, pergolas and shaded terraces all blur the boundaries between inside and out, making alfresco dining and relaxed gatherings a natural part of the lifestyle. To elevate your outdoor space, consider incorporating wrought iron tables and chairs with timeless scrollwork details or contemporary designs. Outdoor dining furniture and lounges, stone benches or statement water features, terracotta planters filled with citrus, trailing jasmine or bougainvillea, and layered outdoor lighting with iron lanterns, wall sconces, hurricane lanterns or festoon lights. A warm and earthy colour palette. Next, the Italian villa colour palette is inspired by the surrounding landscape: rolling hills, sun-warmed stone, vineyards and olive groves. Begin with a foundation of warm neutrals such as cream, off-white, beige and taupe. These create a calming backdrop that allows textures and materials to shine. Then layer in earth tones like sienna, ochre, deep brown, terracotta, almond and olive greens. Lastly, introduce accents of Mediterranean blues, muted sage greens and yellows. Fresco-inspired artwork and wall decor. Historically, Italian villas celebrated artistry through frescoes, paintings applied directly onto wet plaster so the pigments became part of the wall itself. To capture a similar feel today, consider introducing large-scale murals or wall coverings that evoke the depth of frescoes. Antique oil paintings, tapestries, or textured canvas art in earthy hues. And decorative pieces with classical motifs such as vines, cherubs, acanthus leaves and mythological figures. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed exploring the elegance and rustic charm of the Italian villa style. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to watch our Tuscan style video next. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.